We have an Audi A5 four-door, and if you're looking to take apart the front brakes, just want to give you a visual of what it looks like. I've got the wheel removed already, and as you can see, you have the rotor right here, and then the caliper over here. On the back side, there are two caliper bolts. It's a little difficult to see, but there is one right here, you can see in that corner, and then another one directly below. That will allow you to remove the caliper. However, there's still a bracket if you want to remove the rotor. So there's two bolts to remove the caliper, and then you're able to change the brake pads, which there's one right here, and then another one, difficult to see, but it's on the inside there. So those two bolts will help you remove the caliper. Then there's two bolts that hold on the bracket. Once you have those two bolts, and they're right back here on the back side of it, once you have those two bolts removed, this will basically just kind of pull off, and then the rotor will pop right off. So I just want to give you an idea of how to take that apart. It's pretty simple after you get the lug nuts removed. There's four bolts that hold on both the caliper and the bracket. So not a lot, but just give you one more visual here and shine some more light on the situation so you have a better idea of what exactly I'm talking about here. So you can see that first bolt right there, that it's for the caliper. Then there's one, another one below it as well, and then you can see the bracket mounts as well too. So I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to post below. Otherwise, I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, guys. Good luck with your front brake project.